Experiencing issues activating Xfinity? App errors are a common culprit. If you see messages like unable to activate device or app refresh required, here's what's happening. The Xfinity app, used to link your devices to your account, is encountering a problem. This can stem from poor internet connectivity, aim for 25 Mbps or higher, an outdated app version, or account verification failures. Make sure you are not using a VPN, as Xfinity geo-restricts content. The fastest solutions are refreshing the app to clear its cache and rebooting your device. Power cycle it for 30 to 60 seconds. If this resolves the issue, great. If not, proceed to the next steps. If basic refresh and reboot don't resolve the issue, ensure your internet connection is stable. Switch to Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for better reliability. Verify your Xfinity account status to rule out issues like unpaid bills or account restrictions. Xfinity offers 24/7 chat support with AI-driven diagnostics that can help troubleshoot activation issues automatically. Check for and install app updates in your device's app store to fix known bugs and compatibility issues. Enable two-factor authentication for added security, which can help prevent account-related activation problems. For specific error codes, like Error 100 or Error 101, contact Xfinity support directly for personalized assistance and to identify underlying network issues. Expect improvements in the future with AI automated activation and predictive fixes that prevent issues before they occur. Most users can resolve minor issues through self-service tools, but persistent problems require expert support from Xfinity.